Do you also make small mistakes in English? Don't worry, today we will fix them. In this video, we are going to learn some very common mistakes in English that English learners make. And of course, the correct way to say them. So watch carefully and try to use these correct sentences in your daily conversation. So let's get started. He don't know. He doesn't know. She don't like tea. She doesn't like tea. I am agree. I agree. I am having two brothers. I have two brothers. Discuss about the issue. Discuss the issue. Return back. Return. Revert back. Revert. Order for tea. Order tea. Enter into the room. Enter the room. Married with her. Married to her. I did not went. I did not go. He did not knew. I did not know. या फिर I didn't know. She has ate. She has eaten. I have did my work. I have done my work. He is more taller. He is taller. Very much happy. Very happy. People is. People are. I am knowing him. I know him. She is understanding. She understands. I am believing you. I believe you. He is having a car. He has a car. I did not saw. I didn't see. I am here since morning. I have been here since morning. He come yesterday. He came yesterday. Did you knew? Did you know? Where you are going? Where are you going? What you are doing? What are you doing? She is senior than me. She is senior to me. I prefer tea than coffee. Prefer tea to coffee. Different than, different from. Discuss about, discuss. Explain me. Explain to me. Suggest me. Suggest to me. Congratulations for. Congratulations on. I am going to home. I am going home. तो देखा फ्रेंड्स आपने आप किस तरह की मिस्टेक्स अभी तक करते आ रहे थे, लेकिन आई एम श्योर कि अब आपको सारी चीज़ों का पता चल गया है और अब से आप यही मिस्टेक्स दोबारा से नहीं करेंगे। सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।